Hi everyone, let's see if you can spot the mistake.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, I no drink alcohol.
There's a mistake in this part of the sentence. Let's review negatives in the simple present tense. When we form a negative sentence in English, we usually use the word not. Let's look at a few examples. Positive sentence: I am tired. In its negative form, we would say, I am not tired. Another example: I work every day. In its negative form, I do not work every day. In casual conversations, we usually use contractions. So instead of saying I do not, we would say I don't. I don't work every day. And if we were using the subject she, for example, we would say she doesn't. She doesn't work every day. Now let's head back to our restaurant to see if you can correct the mistake. In his response, instead of saying, No, I no drink alcohol, he should say, No, I do not drink alcohol. Or if this is a casual, informal conversation, then he would say, No, I don't drink alcohol. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.